Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to set Google Chrome as a default web browser. Suppose if you are using a Windows operating system, what you can do is like you can just go to the start option. There you can search for the settings. Once you go to the settings, here you can see apps. Once you click on the apps, here you can see the default apps. Click on that particular default apps. Here you can search for the Google Chrome. Once you click on the Google Chrome, here you can see make Google Chrome your default browser. Next to that, here you can see the set default option. Once you click on the set default option, here you can see the tick mark next to the set default. Okay, so now onwards, the Google Chrome will be your default web browser. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.